A Pilates ring is one of the simplest, yet most effective pieces of fitness equipment you can add to your home workouts. Whether you're looking to strengthen your core, tone your arms and legs, improve flexibility, or enhance your Pilates routine, the right ring can make every exercise more challenging and effective. To help you choose the best option, I've selected the 3 best Pilates rings available today, based on their build quality, comfort, versatility, durability, and overall value for money. In the third, after using the Gayam, I was pleasantly surprised by how much it added to my workouts. Although it looks like a simple piece of equipment, it provides consistent resistance that makes a noticeable difference during Pilates sessions, strength training, and core exercises. The first thing I noticed was how lightweight it is. It's easy to carry around the house, take to the gym, or even pack for travel. Despite its light weight, the ring feels sturdy and maintains its shape while providing enough resistance to challenge your muscles without feeling overly stiff. The padded foam handles are one of my favorite features. They provide a comfortable grip, whether you're squeezing the ring with your hands or holding it between your legs during lower body exercises. Even during longer workouts, the handles remained comfortable and didn't slip. I found the resistance to be well balanced for a wide variety of exercises. It adds extra intensity to movements targeting the inner and outer thighs, glutes, arms, chest, shoulders, and core. Simple Pilates movements become noticeably more challenging, helping activate muscles that are easy to overlook with bodyweight exercises alone. One thing I appreciated is how versatile this ring is. I used it for traditional Pilates routines, stretching sessions, core workouts, and even as an accessory during strength training. Because it's so compact, it fits easily into almost any workout routine without taking up much space. Another advantage is its durability. Throughout my workouts, the ring maintained consistent resistance without losing its shape, and it always returned to its original position after each exercise. It feels well built and designed for regular use. If I had to mention one small drawback, it would be that the resistance may feel a little light for highly experienced athletes who are looking for very intense strength training. However, for Pilates, toning, flexibility work, and general fitness, I found the resistance to be very well balanced. Overall, the Gayam is an excellent addition to any home workout routine. It's lightweight, comfortable to use, versatile, and surprisingly effective for improving muscle activation and adding resistance to everyday exercises. Whether you're just starting Pilates or looking to enhance your existing workouts, this ring offers excellent value and is a piece of equipment you'll likely use again and again. Secondly, after using the URBN Fit, I was genuinely impressed by how much it improved the quality of my workouts. It's one of those simple pieces of equipment that doesn't look intimidating, yet it adds a completely different level of muscle engagement to everyday exercises. The first thing I noticed was the overall build quality. The ring feels solid and well made, thanks to its fiberglass construction and durable rubber coating. It has just the right amount of flexibility, creating consistent resistance without feeling too stiff or too soft during exercises. The dual grip foam handles are one of the biggest highlights. They're soft, comfortable, and provide a secure grip whether you're using the ring between your hands or between your legs. Even during longer Pilates sessions, the handles remained comfortable and never felt slippery. I found the resistance level to be ideal for toning and strengthening. It works especially well for targeting the inner thighs, glutes, chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Even basic Pilates movements became noticeably more challenging, forcing the muscles to stay engaged throughout each repetition. The included exercise guide is a great bonus, especially for beginners. It provides several workout ideas and makes it easy to start using the ring effectively from day one, without needing to search for routines online. One feature that stood out during my workouts was how portable it is. It's lightweight enough to take almost anywhere, whether you're exercising at home, taking it to a Pilates class, or packing it for travel. It stores easily, without taking up much room. If I had to mention one minor drawback, it would be that the 12-inch size may feel slightly compact for certain full-body exercises, particularly for taller users or those with broader shoulders. However, for most Pilates and resistance movements, I found the size comfortable and easy to control. Overall, the URBN Fit is an excellent piece of fitness equipment that combines quality construction, comfortable handles, and effective resistance in a compact design. Whether you're new to Pilates or looking to add more muscle activation to your existing workouts, this ring offers excellent value and is a simple way to make every session more challenging and effective. And to finish, first of all, after using the Lion's Cool, I can honestly say it offers much more than a standard Pilates ring. Instead of purchasing multiple accessories separately, this complete kit provides everything needed for a wide variety of home workouts, making it a great choice for beginners as well as more experienced fitness enthusiasts. The first thing I noticed was the quality of the equipment. The 14-inch Pilates ring feels solid and well constructed thanks to its reinforced fiberglass core and durable rubber coating. It provides smooth, consistent resistance while maintaining its shape after repeated use, giving every exercise a stable and controlled feel. The padded foam handles are extremely comfortable. Whether squeezing the ring between my hands or positioning it between my legs, the grips stayed secure and comfortable throughout my workouts. Even during longer sessions, I never experienced discomfort or slipping. What really makes this set stand out is everything that's included. In addition to the Pilates ring, it comes with a 9-inch mini exercise ball, 4 resistance bands with different resistance levels, a workout guide, a carrying bag, and even an air pump for the ball. Having all of these accessories available allowed me to create much more varied and effective full-body workouts without needing additional equipment. The mini ball quickly became one of my favorite accessories. It's perfect for improving balance, engaging the core, and adding instability to exercises, making simple movements feel much more challenging. Combined with the Pilates ring, it creates an excellent workout for the abs, glutes, thighs, and lower back. The resistance bands add even more versatility. Since each band offers a different resistance level, I could easily increase or decrease the intensity, depending on the exercise or muscle group I wanted to target. This made it easy to progress over time without feeling limited by a single resistance level. If I had to mention one small drawback, it would simply be that beginners may initially feel slightly overwhelmed by the number of accessories included. Fortunately, the workout guide provides helpful exercises that make getting started much easier. Overall, the Lion's Cool delivers outstanding value by combining several high-quality fitness accessories into one complete package. With its durable construction, comfortable design, resistance bands, mini exercise ball, and portable carrying case, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to build strength, improve flexibility, and enjoy more varied full-body workouts from the comfort of home. That wraps up my selection of the 3 best Pilates rings. Each of these models offers its own advantages, whether you're looking for a complete workout kit, premium build quality, or an affordable option to enhance your Pilates sessions. I hope this comparison has helped you find the Pilates ring that best fits your fitness goals and budget. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.